Okay, well, you heard the before. Here's the after. I like it. And the bottom also, this is the shake top and bottom. No play whatsoever. So, whatever's going on with those old bearings, clearly there was an issue, because that's a whole different ball game now. Anyway, I was successful. I ended up taking the stub axle, that's this part here, it has no bearings on it at all, put it in the freezer overnight, got it super cold. Then I heated up the whole hub, the entire hub, all this back in here, with a space heater, get up to about 110 degrees, maybe 120 degrees. So it was all warm, the bearings are warm, the inner races were warm. The subaxle just dropped right through the first race on the outer bearing, and then some light hand pressure, like that hard, and it popped through all the way clean through the inner bearing, inner race, without any pressure or stress to the balls or the races. I torqued it to about 190 foot-pounds by bolting I actually bolted the subaxle to this tire, so I could get my legs on that tire and really hold on to it tight, and then use a big ass torque wrench. I think I already put it away. This one right here, to torque it, and we're done. I'm going to have to go back, of course, and torque the spindle pin nuts, get those set up right. Put on we only have 3 nuts loosely at the top of the strut to hold it in. I didn't set it up right, and of course I still got to attach the half shafts. But we're on the downhill side of this, and I'm really pleased with the way that sounds. I mean, golly. Now I'm going to be in a big rush to do the second one. But the second one, I'm going to go ahead and pull the strut first. Just take the strut out. If you've done spindle pins work on it already, likely if you did the right thing and put some anti-seize in there, they'll come out easy, because that's the only thing that makes it difficult. Pull the spindle pins, take those 3 bolts, those 3 nuts off the top of the strut, get the thing out of there and work on it. Of course, you still have to disconnect the parking brake and the hydraulic line to the drum brake. But that's no big deal. Gives you a lot more freedom of movement to work around. It's a lot easier, and you're good to go. All right, well, that's it, folks. I'm going to butt this bad boy up again and make a run out the Mount Dora to celebrate. Thanks for watching. Bye.